Preparing for a client call or file review should not require searching through 6 separate logs. Brings information for one matter into a consolidated view. The user begins by selecting a matter ID. Select a fictional matter ID and pause while the summary displays. The worksheet then retrieves the corresponding matter information and related records from across the workbook. Depending on the available data, the summary can display core matter details, upcoming docket events, open tasks, recent communications or activity, documents, and discovery items. This is one of the most useful features when preparing for a client call, reviewing the status of a matter, or deciding what requires attention next. Instead of filtering several worksheets separately, the user can select one matter ID and review a focused summary. The underlying logs remain the source records. The summary simply brings the relevant information together in a more convenient format. Watch the full walkthrough to see how information from every log reaches the selected matter summary.